Prime Minister Narendra Modi will virtually inaugurate the redeveloped high-tech city railway station in Hyderabad on July 17th. The station has been modernized at a cost of 26 crore rupees under the Amrit Bharat station scheme. South Central Railway said the upgraded station has been designed to improve passenger convenience and support Hyderabad's growing IT corridor. The revamped station features a 12-meter wide foot overbridge, new lifts and escalators, an upgraded station facade, a new portico, improved signage and better passenger facilities. Railway officials said the work was carried out in phases to minimize disruption to train services. Hi-Tech City is the second redeveloped railway station in Hyderabad after Begumpet and the fourth in Telangana, following Warangal and Karimnagar. South Central Railway said 40 railway stations across Telangana have been identified for redevelopment under the Amrit Bharat station scheme at an estimated cost of more than 2,000 crore rupees. Officials also said that over 1,300 railway stations are being upgraded across the country under the scheme to improve rail infrastructure and passenger experience.